Guys, so apparently this is all my mod. But it's only from please, you cannot see this only on this link. People can access this link. Guys, here we go. This is interactive with Incredible Box. Jeb is playing this. Yep. Oh my gosh, the game I made is glitching. Oh no. Guys, you can access this using my link on my YouTube channel. To use my games. This is interactive. You can interact with this. Stop. This is all I stop, and this is Scratch Starter Stride. And this is the my OC looks like. Well, back up. Look at this. Back up. Look at this. I add several commands. Yep, guys. Making another.
Wala nga, sabi sa'yo, wag mo maghanap ka ng ano.
Yep, no sounds earlier today. We gotta go to change that. Jesus Christ. What the dump? Really sure? Yep. I hate this thing, bro.
Ay, ewan ko kay Eric, kung itatapon yan o ano. Ano lang. Ayan, nakuha natin ng ano. Ay, pala.
Yep. The MP3. Guys, I'm not tapping.
Eh, isabay mo na yan, ano. Maliit, mag-aalaman yan.
Guys, thank you to watching this.
Ano mo nang malaki?
You can use this link